put Reinhardt to sleep.
Oh, good old Reinhardt. Reinhardt. Good old Reinhardt. Oh. Oh, my sweet summer child. Oh my God. Reinhardt. Reinhardt. God dang. Sorry, wasn't
that was the person you just charged.
144 on Reyna, you're shit.
Spike down A.
Leaving area.
Oh shit.
Deploying drone.
Reyna is B.
Oi! Hunter!
Oh my God, Killjoy really just looked at.
Sparrow, you are
Phoenix.
cracked. Holy shit.
The hunt begins.
She was mid. I hit her 144.
Can I eat your ass, please?
You have to RR at him, please.
Okay.
No more to oppose.
Nice.
You are so good at this game, Sparrow. Are you a
That's hot.
girl? That's even better.
That'd be great.
Derulos.
Jason
Derulo.
Didn't.
Can I get your phantom?
go.
Okay.
Need a drop. Salamat, thanks.
Okay, okay. What just happened?
Slurp.
Okay.
Hello.
Oh, there's kid always up there. Be careful.
One enemy remaining.
Right here. Nice. Oh my God.
Did anyone see that?
Yeah, boy.
One enemy remaining.
Aw.
My revenge. My banner is just girls, guys. Ayo.
Twist it. Pull it.
What? Yeah.
Instant rice.
Last
I
player
did make the
standing.
orange chicken.
Oh shit, man.
You know what? If like
If you have a rice cooker,
She didn't see you.
have a rice.
She was looking the other way.
do you?
I actually no. I asked for a rice cooker for my birthday.
Oh, no, she's
Ooh, okay.
You outrange.
Spike planted.
You outrange.
I know how to make
You know
orange
what?
chicken.
It'd be
It's really
funny.
easy.
Fine.
Oh, I know what we should do. We should make orange chicken, but like actually make the orange sauce, not just make like buy the sauce. You should try and make it. Damn, I kind of want
You got this. Haley, you got this. Run at her. Run at
I'll be
her.
back.
I can't believe you do that, Haley.
Careful now.
Huh?
Oh,
Yeah, Haley, she's probably gonna push near you or just leave.
We're probably going A.
I hear footsteps here.
Spike down B.
Michael with the shoddy.
All me, baby.
hardcore CD.
Okay, go go.
Watch it.
Flip that, please.
Good evening, gentlemen.
I don't like the way that Michael looks
Yeah.
at people.
What
with such
the? What happened to me? What?
Wait, you just died?
It just launched me out of the map.
Dude,
We've got this.
do you know if your cards fly through
Holy
my ult with a double here?
shit.
Why?
That was funny to watch, holy shit!
Okay.
I'll find you.
Prepare for hellfire.
Nice.
Spike down B.
Haley!
One enemy remaining.
You have. Bro.
That brimstone's just sparks.
What? What did you say, Reyes?
I don't know what that means either.
Toxins going up.
Oh shit.
Thank you.
Okay,
Oh, thank God.
Why does that guy sound like he's moaning into his mic?
Oh, thank God.
Oh no. Alright, you know what? I haven't played Q in a while.
I love that clip.
Unless I should play Chamber.
Sorry, not playing with this shitter fucking Reyna, no cap.
Oh shit, okay. Well, I'll lock in.
I'm dodging, fuck you guys.
Damn.
What did I do?
Do not be
Actually,
toxic in
Pizza,
my
I
lobby.
love you, but fuck you, Reyna, you auto-lock piece of shit.
Damn.
Do not
Stop
speak to
smurfing,
me
stop
in this
smurfing.
lobby.
Shut the fuck up.
Do not
Speak to him in this lobby.
Bow
Hashtag
down
bros,
to me,
hashtag
play
you're
3.
fucking gay, loser.
Bow down
Fucking
to me.
Stupid bitch. You bow down to me and get on your fucking knees
Kiss
and suck
my
my dick,
feet.
bitch. Suck my fucking cock.
Oh my God.
Oh my god!
Jesus.
Oh man.
Yes, you're right. She's going to try. Oh, that's not loud at all. Oh, knifer.
Nah. Okay.
Pay more.
I see.
Sage, do you hear me?
Scanning ahead.
No.
Doesn't
Where did that
seem
arrow
like they're
go?
coming to Abram.
Your arrow's still going! How did it go into A? Yo! What the hell?
Just hit. Oh, actually, she might be just hit.
One enemy remaining. I got the spike.
Joe's
Rotate while I... Oh, never mind.
God. It wasn't.
Scout destroyed.
What the fuck, Brim?
Down.
Did anyone see that?
Oh, I'm back.
Nope.
We stand in the circle?
Okay.
I guess we stand in the circle.
Let's stand in the circle.
Okay.
Oh, look, there's fire.
Ooh, it's pretty.
It's warm.
You spin right.
Oh, 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 Michael, what'd you do? Ayo, it's Sparrow. Thanks for watching my first video. If you liked it, let me know by subbing, commenting, and hitting that like button down below. You know, YouTuber stuff. If you want to catch me live, follow me at AyoSparrow on Twitch. I'll be trying to stream on Thursdays, but who knows, that might change. I get kinda busy. Alright, catch you next time. Bye bye!